Hello everyone, and welcome to the Dyslexic Mind. The dyslexic mind is full of pictures and imagery and creativity and intuition, which is why you see all of these pictures being used to teach them to read. Let's take a look at the word tool. We have the ticking clock with the oo sound and the oh mixer. And if we put those three sounds together, we have the word tool. Let's take a look at the word high. We have the hot sun next to the eye pattern. Let's take a look at the word rough. We have the robot next to the pattern. How about chew? We have the choo-choo train next to the oo pattern. Fur, we have the fizz being poured into the vial. You can hear that fizz next to the pattern. Here we have the wah pattern next to the nasty mosquito and the dribbling ball, and we have the pattern, and that makes the word wander. Here we have goes the cricket, and it makes the word peak. We have those wet shoes going through the puddle. And we have the word worth. Now let's go up to some more words. We have the word a. That hamburger is delicious. As I go down the roller coaster, and goes the shooting hose. Mash. Now we have beat that drum. The young man is hard of hearing, and gulping down that delicious glass of lemonade. And we have the word beg. Here we have sizzling bacon, icky glue stuck on our fingers, and popping popcorn to make the word sip. Makes the word dot. Now we have beating drum next to that. I have a tummy ache next to to make the word bug. Now if we go over here to these words, take a look at what we did. We have clicking camera. We don't have pictures now because we're going to use a vowel pattern. We're going to use the A/E pattern. So we have A, and we're going to add the E to make the word case. Here we have but we're going to add the E to make the word vole. And we have and we're going to add the E to make the word chime. Now what we do when we have a short vowel sound as opposed to a long vowel sound is we would take this A and we would replace it with this A. So it doesn't say A anymore, it says ah now. We would take this O, which is an O/E pattern, it says the long O sound, and we would replace it with the ah to make the ah sound. And we would take the I and replace it with the icky glue. What we're doing by using all of these visuals is we are avoiding distortion. A dyslexic mind gets very distorted when it is overloaded with things it cannot see. So we alleviate that distortion by taking letters and changing them into imagery. And as you can see, the letters that we use, the patterns that we use, are all in a dyslexic font. So when our dyslexic student is learning the word chew, all they really have to remember is that oo pattern, because the choo-choo train is in an image form in their mind. There's not too much information there to distort them. We have all kinds of strategies, such as this, using imagery to teach our dyslexic students to read. We have magnetic boards. In addition to the magnetic boards, which have all our image/letters/sounds on them, to notebooks. And in the notebooks or the workbooks, we have the meaning of each sound written in the instruction page. And here's all our sounds right here. So we have what you would do on day 1 to teach your child the book sound. And on day 2 to teach your child the k sound. And so on and so forth. And our book is filled with imagery for you to use to instruct your child. And we also have free ebooks available to you. How to teach your struggling reader the rules of spelling and teaching to your dyslexic child's strengths. So, take a look at our website at learningpressllc.com and visit our shop, and you will see all kinds of materials that can be used to teach to your dyslexic child. We also have a video series, 5 videos, and we have a set of 7 ebooks that you can also use to teach your child rather than getting the hard copy. So visit us again at www.learningpressllc.com or give us a call at 848-223-3971, and we're here to answer any questions you